What is a discrete data? If you have anything you can count, such is what? Discrete data. The first rule is you can count it. Okay? Another thing, you check the data. Can you represent the data with tally chart or bar chart or pie chart? If you can, such data is discrete, can be counted. Examples. 1. The number of students in a class. The numbers of staff in a company. The number of your cars in a garage. Like the number of planets around the sun. How many languages can you speak? Can say I can speak 5 languages. How many children do you have? Say I have 10 children. I have 2 children. All these are called discrete what? Information. For instance, we want to look at the population of a country. Okay? We can represent it like this. For instance, let's say USA, let's say Canada, let's say Nigeria. You see? We can call this one 360M, 200 million. Maybe this one, I don't know, maybe 150 million. I may be wrong. These numbers or these observation can be counted. So when you see something or anything that can be counted, you can say that what such information is what is discrete. The size of shoe could be 4 or 3.5. You can say your salary is what 50k. All these are what discrete what data. Hope this is understood. Thank you for viewing.